Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the 7MM 7mm cold water hood. So this is, as the name suggests, fantastic for cold water, and the neoprene itself is made out of 7mm of neoprene. So yeah, fantastic for cold water. You get lots of thermal protection, especially on the back of your head. What they've done is you've got 7mm of neoprene over the back and the sides of your head, but around your face it slims down to about 5mm, so you don't get that same kind of jaw fatigue if you're wearing a really chunky hood. So if we start at the top, this is a vented hood. You may be able to see two small little pinpricks in the top of the hood. So this is a two-layer design. So on the inside you have two little holes, another layer of neoprene, and then these two little holes, and they're offset. So that allows any expanding gas inside the hood. If you're wearing your mask and the skirt is underneath the seal of the hood, every time you equalize that mask, a little bit of gas is going to get inside the hood. As you ascend, that's going to expand, so you need to get rid of it. And if it's not vented, then your hood just starts to expand on your head. So you need some kind of venting system. What this does is it allows gas to escape through and come out of the top, but it doesn't allow cold water just flush in and get you cold. So 7mm over the top, the back and the sides of the hood. 5mm over the face. Now on the inside of this 5mm section, all the way around your face, we have this soft glideskin material. So this is very effective and sticky against your skin. So that creates an effective seal, stops water from flushing in, and that way you're going to stay nice and warm in the water because it's not going to allow any water to get in. A small amount will get in, but again, this will then act as a wetsuit. Your body warms that up, and then that warm water keeps your head nice and warm. So this is a bibbed hood as well. We have a really big sort of oversized bib on this, so you get plenty of overlap between your hood and your wetsuit. So so layer it up. That just means that water can't sort of flush in really quickly, and because there's so much of it, you've got all of this material that creates a very effective and long seal. So if you're looking around, you're not going to pull it out and untuck it. On the inside, you can see we have a slightly different lining to the outside. So this is a bit more porous, so it's great at trapping water and stopping it from moving around. Again, that's going to keep you nice and warm. And on the inside, you'll see that all of these seams are blind stitched. So all the stitching is on the outside. So on the inside of the hood, they're all smooth seams. So these are nice and comfortable. That's particularly useful around the chin and around the face. So this is a nice smooth line. You're not going to get any kind of rubbing on your chin. So all in all, a very nice warm hood for colder waters. I'll be happy diving in this in the UK in the sort of colder winter months. This is the 7MM 7mm cold water hood. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.